Bizdata's integration solution, eZintegrations, simplifies and streamlines the integration between NetSuite and Data Lake, enabling seamless data transfer and synchronization. This solution eliminates manual processes and empowers organization with real-time access to critical information, enhancing decision-making and operational efficiency. Join us in this video eZintegrations to unlock the full potential of your NetSuite and Data Lake integration for improved productivity and agility. Log into your eZintegrations account, click eZintegrations, and begin by adding the integration bridge. The first step is configuring data source. Select source type as API. Select product name as Oracle NetSuite and business object as all from the options available in the list. Enter the authorization URL with ID. This API works on offset pagination, so in param setting the offset values. Enter the header and body details. In body, passing the query to search from NetSuite. We are using pre-request script to generate signature for the authorization of this API. In pagination, setting type to offset pagination. In user key enter has more, as this API has offset pagination, so it will run till the has more indicator is true. Passing items as data collector key since it contains all the data from response. Test the API endpoint using test button. The response can be seen here in a single line format. Next, navigate to operations to begin transforming, wrangling, and cleaning the data. We can see the list of all the operations by scrolling here. The first operation that we will be using is single line to multi-line. Using it, we will convert the single line data to multiple lines as the result is needed in tabular format. The response from API is stored in key name Bizdata dataset response and the data is stored under key items. Hence, we will pass these two keys here. Navigating to the response and source to display the key that stores all the data required in target. The key name items can be seen here, that stores all the data required in data target. Hence, this is passed as key name. Next step is configuring data target. Select target type as Bizdata 360 Data Lake Ingestion American Samoa. Our target is Data Lake. Next, enter the table name where data will be stored in data target. Insert the data and select Parallel Computing. Now, in the summary section, provide the name and description of the integration bridge. Under Schedule, we can schedule the frequency of integration or select interval as per requirement. Here, we are setting it to 6,000 seconds. Once everything is done, click on Submit. The integration bridge can be seen in the list. We can now proceed to run the integration bridge and check the results in live streaming logs, since the integration bridge is now built. This is Bizdata 360 Data Lake. We can see our table here. Record count changed from 0 after starting the bridge. This shows data has come to the target. We will check the data from Data Discover option in Bizdata 360. We can see that data has come to our target. Millions of record can stream into target after starting the integration bridge. Get seamless and faster data integration with eZintegrations.